Ay, ang taray. Oh, superhero ang dating. Oh. Pinagsamang Tanggol tsaka Black Rider. Oh, go. Aha. Hello peeps and hello everyone, it's me, Darren's Diary, and welcome back for another reaction video for Smuglas. Ang title ng kanyang music video ay Huwag Kang Haharang Kayuhan. Medyo playtime yung title, but before we continue this reaction video, if you're new on my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell and see you on the comment section. So, playtime yung title. So, tingnan natin kung ano meron sa music video na to, tsaka yung lyrics ng kanta. Huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's play this. Let's go sa go. Okay. Huwag ka nga harang kay Juan. Go. Okay. Ba't parang muulan? Oh, ay, ang taray. Oh, superhero ang dating. Oh. Pinagsamang Tanggol tsaka Black Rider. Oh, go. Aha. Nice one. Aha. Parang kilala ko yun. Hindi ba si Boss Toyo yun? Okay, alam mo yung kanta nila? Parang ano pwedeng pang soundtrack. Oo, to be honest, pwede siyang pang soundtrack. Ganun yung dating nung kanta and yung bigay ng rap, bongga. Love it. Ah. In fairness kay Smuglas, Aha. Boom. Oh, sorry. Oh, go. Galing. Gusto ko yung dating ng ng music kasi pang soundtrack talaga. As in. Hey. Juan Pay. Okay. Serbisyo para kay Juan. Ano to? Okay. But anyway, highway. Yung Wag Kang Haharang kay Juan. Ang ano nito, ang astig for me, the music and also yung dating nung kanta. Sabi ko nga, ang galing. Pang soundtrack ang dating. So this is it. Smuglas in fairness. Love it. So this is it. I hope in this reaction video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.